Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to perform BCD subtraction using tens complement. So let us see the steps which will be used to perform the BCD subtraction. Okay, so here consider we have to perform a minus b. Okay, then the steps are perform a plus tens complement of b. Okay, so that we will get here the result c. Okay, so actually the tens complement means nines complement of b plus 1. So this is our tens complement. Okay, so after that, once we obtain the summation of a plus tens complement of b, we will get here c. Okay, now in this c result we have to check whether any digit is invalid BCD digit. Okay, if the invalid BCD digit is found, then we have to add 6 into that digit only. Okay, if the particular digit is valid BCD, then do not add 6 into that digit. Okay, now as we know that how to check whether the BCD digit is valid or invalid. Actually the valid BCD means if the digit value is in between or ranging from 0 to 9, then it is valid BCD. Okay, and if the digit value or if the carry is generated from the digit, then it is called invalid BCD digit. Okay, so in these two cases we have to add 6 into that digit only. Okay, now once we add the 6 into the invalid BCD digit, we have to check. So we have to check once again that from the obtained second summation whether the any digit is invalid BCD. Okay, so if the digit is having invalid BCD, then also we have to add 6. Okay, and if no digit is invalid BCD, then consider that the result. Okay, actually we have again two steps next. So fourth step is if end around carry is generated, then ignore it. Okay, so here in the nines complement we were considering that end around carry to add into the current result, but in tens complement we ignore the carry, end around carry. Okay, and consider the result is positive. Okay, now in the second case, if end around carry is not generated, then take tens complement of d. Okay, to obtain correct magnitude of result. So here if the end around carry is not generated, means the result is negative. Okay, so result is negative. So based upon this example, based upon this algorithm or steps, we will see just few examples. Okay, so first consider 983. We want to perform 983 minus 712. Okay, so consider this example. So 983 is what? 983 is minuend and 712 is subtrahend. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to take the tens complement of 712. So first we have to take the nines complement of 712. So 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay, so by adding 1 we will get the tens complement. 7 plus 1 is 8, 8, 2. So this is the tens complement. Okay, now next step is we have to add this tens complement value into minuend, that is 983. So 983 minus plus 288, which will become 8 plus 3 is 11. So 11 is nothing but the b in hexadecimal. Actually we are performing BCD subtraction. So BCD means binary coded decimal. Here each and every digit is 4-bit binary. So do not consider these values in decimal directly. Okay, these are the BCD, binary coded decimal. So each digit is nothing but the group of 4 binary bits. Okay, so that's why I am writing here in hexadecimal. So 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 means b in hexadecimal. So 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 in hexadecimal is 10. Okay, 10. Then 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 means C. Okay, so here just check whether any whether any digit is invalid BCD. Yes, so here the first digit is invalid BCD, so add 6 here. Then second digit is also invalid because the carry is generated here. Okay, so if the carry is generated, then also we consider it is invalid BCD, so add 6 into the second digit also. What about third digit? This is also greater than 9, so add 6 into this digit. Okay, now perform addition. 11 plus 6 is 17. 17 in hexadecimal is 1 1. Okay, then 6 plus 1 is 7. Then 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 is in decimal. 18 in hexadecimal is 1 2. Okay, 1 2. Now once you get all these digits are in proper BCD format, then check whether the carry is generated or not. Yes, the carry is generated. Okay, so the carry is generated, that means the result is positive and we have to ignore the end around carry. Okay, so by ignoring this end around carry, we have got the actual result. So 271 is the actual result. So just cross check. 3 minus 2 is 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay, so this is our actual result, 271. Okay, now let us see one more example. So second example, 945 minus 744. Okay, so consider this one example. Now here what we have to do, take the tens complement of 744. Okay, so we cannot take tens complement directly. We go for the nines complement first and then add 1 into the nines complement value. So 999 minus 744. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 2. Okay, add 1 into it. This is the nines complement. Okay, 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 2. This is the tens complement. Now we have to add this tens complement value into the minuend, that is 945. 945 plus 256. Okay, so 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 means B. Okay, then 4 plus 5 is 9. Then 9 plus 2 is 11 means again B. Okay, now check whether each and every digit is valid BCD or not. It is not valid. Okay, so whichever digit is invalid BCD, add 6 into that digit only. Okay, so add 6 here and here. Okay, no need to add in the second digit because 9 is in the range of 0 to 9, so no need to add 6. So 11 plus 6 is 17. 17 means 1 1 in hexadecimal. Okay, 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 means A. Then 11 plus 6 is 17. 17 means 1 1. 1 1. Now check whether all the digits are valid BCD. Again you will say no, because A is not in the range of BCD 0 to 9. Okay, so add 6 into this digit only. So add 6 here. Actually this end around carry is generated. Okay, already. So 1, 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 means 1 0. Carry 1, summation is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2 and carry is 1. Okay, so here end around carry is generated because our subtrahend and minuend are 3 digits. Okay, so fourth digit is what? End around carry. So this carry should be ignored and whatever digits you are getting here, that is the actual result. Okay, so just cross check it. 5 minus 4 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0 and 9 minus 7 is 2. So 201 is obtained here. Okay, so this is how we can obtain or we can perform this 2 times adding 6 into the invalid BCD. Okay, now let us see somewhat more examples. Third example, say 105 minus 60. Okay, So here the number of digits in minuend and subtrahend are unequal. So in this case what we have to do, we have to take the tens complement of 60 first. So consider the subtrahend is also of 3 digits. Okay, so 060 should be considered. So first take the nines complement, 999 minus 060. Because our minuend is 3 digit, so that's why we have to consider the subtrahend also of 3 digits, and that's why I took here 999. Then 9 minus 0 is 9, this is 3 and this is 9. Okay, add 1 into it to get the tens complement. 9 plus 1 is a, then 3 and 9. Okay, now 93a should be added into 105. 105 plus 93a. Okay, now 5 plus a is 15, that is f. 3 plus 0 is 3, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 means a. Okay, now after this we have to check whether all the digits are correct BCD. No. So the next step is add 6 into the invalid BCD digits. So 15 plus 6 is what? 15 plus 6 is 21. 21 in decimal. So in hexadecimal 15. Carry 1, summation 5. 3 plus 1 is 4. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 in hexadecimal is 10. That is 1. Okay. Now in these 3 digits, whether any digit is invalid BCD? No. And here in end around carry is also generated, so we have to discard this end around carry and consider the result, final result. Okay, so that is 45. So 105 minus 60 is equal to 45. Okay, now we will just reverse this subtraction to check whether the result is negative or not. Okay, so consider 60 minus 105. Okay, now here we have to take the tens complement of 105. That means first subtract 105 minus 999. Okay, 498. Okay, now add 1 into it to get the tens complement, 598. So this is the tens complement. Okay, so add this tens complement into the minuend, that is 60. So 60 plus 895. Okay, 5, 9 plus 6 is 15 means f. 8 plus 0 is 8. Okay, the next step is we have to check whether all the digits are in proper BCD format or not. So here f is not the BCD digit, so we have to add 6 into f. Okay, so add 6 here. Okay, 5. 15 plus 6 is 21. 21 in hexadecimal is 15. Carry 1, summation 5. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, so here we have not got any end around carry. So here end around carry is 0. So it means the result is negative. So to get the correct magnitude of the result, we have to take the tens complement of 955. Okay, so just proceed further to obtain the correct magnitude, but that was the negative. That is the negative. So 999 minus 955, 440. This is the nines complement, and add 1 into it. 4 plus 1 5, 4. So this is the tens complement, but this magnitude is actually the minus 45. Okay, so 955 means what? It is minus 45 in tens complement. So here I hope you understood all this BCD subtraction using tens complement. Okay, so if you liked this video, then please like and share with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications of the next videos. Thank you.